Alright folks, today I'm gonna show you how to make pulled pork arepas. So stay tuned. Time to grill. Last weekend I showed you how to make 5.5 kilogram pulled pork out of a Boston butt. So today I'm gonna show you a Colombian idea of how to use these pulled pork leftovers. Due to the fact that we have Colombian guests right now, it's a pleasure to connect these two recipes right now. And yeah, all you need in the beginning is a certain kind of flour, which is a corn flour, which is pre-cooked. It's hard to get it in Germany, but we'll try to put a link in the video description. You can check it out. And then you need a certain amount of liquids, water and milk. And we're gonna mix this flour with the water and the milk. So this is work for the whole family. Today I'm a little bit off in preparing this dish. I have time to film this one and check everything out. There you go. So once you're ready with mixing the water with the flour, we're gonna add some more liquids here. We need some milk, which is the next step. So we filled in about 2.5 cups of milk here. And after adding these, we're gonna mix this as well. And later on, we're gonna add some salt and some grated cheese. In Germany, dishes like arepas from Colombia or from South America are not very common, so it's a pleasure for me to show my German viewers these ideas as well. That's the same reason why it's a little bit hard to get this special flour here, but this one especially, I bought this one in a restaurant in a town nearby. We have a Colombian restaurant in Aachen, which is one of the next cities we are living, and we bought this there. So they had it in the restaurant and they sold it to us. So it was really fun. Thanks for for selling us this one. So in the meantime, you might have seen that we have added 1 or 2 teaspoons of salt. And next step and last step before throwing this into a pan and frying is adding grated cheese. So this is approximately 150 to 200 grams of grated cheese, and we're going to add a little bit, then we're going to mix it, then we add some more until we have put and filled in the complete amount of cheese. So it's a little bit messy, but it's fun. As you can see here, the kids are having really fun. For me, it's fun to see. And I like the idea of getting everyone involved in cooking. And of course, cooking is something you can do with your hands, and I really enjoy this. I hope you do this as well. So, after mixing everything together, we're gonna take pieces of the dough and we're gonna roll this one, like so. And later on, we're gonna press this down gently and we are forming one finger thick pieces of arepas, which will be fried in the pan. So in the meantime, you're preparing all these little balls of dough. I preheated my cast iron pan on my Broiking Imperial grill. I added some oil, and now you can see what I meant with 1 finger thick approximately. We're gonna throw these arepas into our pan. We tried different sizes, and the heat is coming very slow. The arepas are ready when they are golden brown. And then you can take them out I put this on a paper towel so the oil can get a little bit, the fat can get a little bit out, and that's the result. A nice looking arepa, golden brown on top and at the bottom, and then we're gonna take a knife and then we're gonna open this. So these can be filled now. They can be filled with ground beef, ground pork, ground meat in any certain ways. You can add cheese, chicken, whatever you like. So as mentioned in the beginning, we're gonna add some barbecue sauce. And last week I made a video about a sweet and spicy Boston butt. I will put a link into the video at the end of the video, so you can check it out if you haven't seen that one. That's really a nice combination with the barbecue sauce and the arepa. Of course, you can add some coleslaw if you want as well. Today for me, meat and corn and cheese as a flavor is far enough. So now we're ready, and we're gonna give this one a shot right now. Alright folks, now that's the final cut for the original footage for trying those pulled pork arepas today. It's more about the idea of trying something different, in this case from Colombia. We have a guest from Colombia here today, it's really awesome. I'm really thankful that he prepared this one with my kids today, so I'm gonna give this a shot right now. If you haven't subscribed Oil 15 Barbecue yet, then you can just do it by clicking on the logo on the left side of your screen. If you haven't subscribed to Oil 15 Barbecue, you can do it now by clicking on the left side of the screen. There will be the logo popping up, so you can check it out. You won't miss any other videos. We're gonna have a lot of fun in the upcoming month, I promise. So I'm gonna give this a shot right now. This is how they look like. Really nice idea. I like the, of course, cheese, pulled pork, corn, arepas. What could be wrong? Eh? I guess I'm gonna give this a shot. Thanks for watching. I'm out. See you.